Crypto isn't just Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore. In 2025, new projects are shaping the future of finance and technology. But with thousands of coins out there, which ones actually matter? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 cryptos to watch in 2025, beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Quick recap of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Before we get into the list, let's be clear. Bitcoin and Ethereum are still the foundation of the crypto market. Bitcoin is often called digital gold and is seen as a store of value, while Ethereum powers decentralized apps, smart contracts, and much of the Web3 ecosystem. But in this video, we're refocusing on the coins that could be the next big movers beyond BTC and ETH. Chapter 2. Top 5 Cryptos to Watch. 1. Solana, SOL. Solana is one of the fastest blockchains in the world, known for its low fees and scalability. In 2025, it continues to gain adoption in decentralized finance, NFTs, and Web3 applications. Some call it the Ethereum killer, but time will tell. Number 2. Cardano, ADA. Cardano takes a research-driven approach to blockchain. Built on peer-reviewed academic work, it's focused on sustainability, scalability, and security. With new smart contract capabilities and ongoing ecosystem growth, ADA remains a strong, long-term project. Number 3. Polkadot, DOT. Polkadot is all about interoperability, connecting different blockchains so they can share data and work together. As crypto evolves, the ability for blockchains to talk to each other could become a game changer, making DOT a project to watch. Number 4. Chainlink, Link. Smart contracts need real-world data to be useful, and Chainlink provides that. From price feeds to weather data, Chainlink acts as a bridge between blockchains and the real world. It's already widely integrated and continues to expand its partnerships in 2025. Number 5. Avalanche, AVAX. Avalanche is known for its speed and efficiency, making it popular in decentralized finance and enterprise blockchain solutions. With its growing DeFi ecosystem, it has potential to compete with Ethereum on performance and adoption. Chapter 3. The Risks. Of course, altcoins come with risks. Many projects rise fast but crash even faster. Regulatory uncertainty, hacks, and market hype can all impact prices. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always diversify. So there you have it, the top 5 cryptos to watch in 2025: Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, and Avalanche. Do you hold any of these? Or do you think another project deserves to be on this list? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to CapitalCore for more insights on investing, crypto, and building wealth.